channel. Today we just posted a video. Make sure to go look at that. Sorry, we just filmed another video, so it's kind of tiring. But right now, we are going over there to see those animals. Precious animals. We all love them. We all like them. They're bulls. Now, we can't do bullfighting. What we can do is we can go on and maybe that one. So, if you knew how to edit, we gotta edit out this part. So, make sure to tell us in the comments. But
Maybe we'll see a horse too.
yeah, I got a horse out here too. But we went this way that we're gonna get across. Or we should have gone the other way. That way we actually could get across. But there's another way on.
We could go across right there.
Yeah, but that's really wet. So, this is my pasture. This is where I live. Now, I know I'm mainly in the videos because it's my YouTube channel and all that, but I like to have other people in the videos. So, you can comment. I might be able to pick one. Pick one of you. Probably not, but
Depends on where you live.
to have one of you over. I've got these two best friends. They're amazing. I love them. Not like love.
What up? I'm a cameraman.
Yeah,
Woman,
that's
same thing.
Cameraman. So, this is what it looks like right now.
Gorgeous. Up there where we started, we have a waterfall.
Remember how shallow this used to be? Yeah. Skylar, keep looking over there. Don't look over there.
This used to be so shallow.
Oh my God, yes. It used to be literally so shallow. Like, last few rainstorms have literally destroyed my trip.
Leave a like in the video and one of the boys will cross that log. Leave a like in 3, 2, 1, now.
I'll also cross it. If I can make it.
Okay, sorry if this gets kind of like weird because I had to make this jump here. So sorry if it gets kind of weird, but I'll be back good in a second.
Yeah, so thank you.
It might get weird a couple times. Like this.
Dad, look at my feet.
Honestly, the cameraman should be wearing boots so you can just walk through the water. Yeah, I see it. Fall, 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 fall.
Oh! These are brand new clothes, and by brand new, I literally just put them on and took a shower.
If we hit 50 likes, I will do a front flip off into the creek.
Okay, maybe not a front flip because it'll get hurt.
It's really shallow. As you can see, if someone reached their hand down, it wouldn't last very long.
Oh God. It is low. I'm getting to the other guy.
But yeah, I'm going to cross this log quick, so sorry if it gets kind of weird. Again.
Okay, Aiden, go.
This is kind of
Skylar,
hard.
take the camera.
They're mine. Here you go.
Yeah, this is really great. I'm glad. I don't have like 1 million subscribers, but it's great to be on YouTube. Great to have a spotlight sometimes.
Brother over there has
You're always-
5 subscribers. Probably going to make that a lot more.
If you're
My friends, please.
If you're ever interested in becoming a YouTuber, what I always say is always follow your dreams. Follow your dreams all the time. Try and get to where you want to be. You know you can do it. You want to be an astronaut? Well, I bet in 50 years, okay, maybe not 50 years, but in
Maybe
30
come
years,
to 20.
you'll be an
That
astronaut.
was a pretty good skip.
Yeah, it was.
1, 2, 3.
I think it was like 4. But yeah,
Well, I don't know if you can see, but there are cows up there, and that's where we're going. So,
Yes, let me remind you guys, there is a bull. Don't worry, we are safe.
that's that black one that I showed you. This guy's got a scary stick that he'll whack him with.
and I have the middle finger. This is a regular childhood.
Yeah, you're gonna ruin.
Skylar, take this.
You're gonna ruin the subscriber's childhood.
Yes. Really sorry if it gets. Ow! Really sorry if it gets laggy. Really sorry. Or
I'm really
something
gonna
like
get
that.
weird.
Oh, check this out. Pull. Ah! Why did we do this? Why am I in short? Not short.
LOL.
Sweatpants. Ah!
Please write LOL in the comments. That'll be great.
Hashtag be smarter.
Yeah, hashtag be smarter. That'd be great.
This rock is so slippery.
Yeah, these rocks are really slippery. Here, I'll take the camera. We're really sorry if this gets really bad because we're literally trying to do this and it's super slippery over here. See how bad that is? That's because we're literally stepping on rocks, as you can see. Here you go. Yes, this creek has increased so much.
There are some very deep parts. Right here is probably one of the deepest.
Don't film him, get in the drink.
Wait. You're
Here.
drinking from the creek? I feed him.
Here is the bull up there. The horse is way back there. Thank God he's not next to the bull this time. Yesterday he was always next to the bull. I don't know if you can see. I'm trying to get a little bit closer.
Want to see more animal videos? Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm being serious. You don't want to, you don't want to.
Okay, hurry up. I'm heading toward him.
Help yourself so much. Thanks.
I don't know if you can see him, but that's the horse right there.
Everyone in Old
Probably right in the middle of the screen for you. The bull's right there. I don't know if he can be mean yet. All the other ones are cows everywhere. There's the horse right there. His name's Pharaoh. But yeah, we're going to try and get as close as possible. One of the cows are already staring at me. I don't know how close we can get. Oh, great. My brother couldn't kill himself.
No, Aiden might act like he's in the spotlight, but all three of us are. So, you'll see mainly me, maybe them two, but it'll be mainly me, and I'll be just filming videos that probably aren't the best, but
It'll definitely be me less because I'm the camera girl, so yeah.
she was also in our last video that we literally just did 2 seconds ago. And by 2 seconds ago, I mean 2 minutes ago. Okay, so nobody correct me. I know what I'm doing. No,
Be sure to go.
because I want to.
Be sure to go check out that video. It was kind of hard to do that. Brother wasn't Daredevil in that video, which is pretty cool. But thank you for watching.
Hey, we're not done yet. They haven't seen the animals.
If you guys like the video, I'm jumping into right there.
Be sure to like in 3, 2, 1.
And he makes it.
Jokes for days or jokes for days.
Hey,
Yeah, you didn't jump into the
look
water.
at me. Thank you. This is all for fun. This isn't for a
Okay, we're probably going to cross over to the other side of the creek because we don't want the bull to attack us.
So if this gets really glitchy, please, we're sorry.
Up
Uh,
there. Easier jump.
Oh, freak. See, like that. Oh,
Yeah, he just fell.
quiet. I did not feel like tricked. And
Guys,
fell.
I almost hit it.
You almost hit what?
Him?
Don't hit the ball. This is also very dangerous. Please do not do this at home.
Over here, kid.
This is
Oh,
very,
God.
very, very dangerous. Here. Easy jump, but you might get your shoes a little bit wet.
A little?
So you can walk on the rocks. Oh, geez, I'm just going to run through.
Ah! So now our shoes are completely soaked. Back to the camera, girl. Don't hit the ball, you idiot!
There's the bull. Brother's probably throwing rocks at him.
Aiden, if he gets hit on, your fault.
probably does.
I hope they don't.
Yeah, the bull is right there. Our brother's dancing at him.
Okay, so we ain't got any balls tonight, so time to wrap it up.
Go back.
Hey guys, we'll end it right here. So make sure to like, subscribe, do everything we told you, and you'll be our favorite. Goodbye. Peace